how many pigments are involved in the photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, which types of pigments are involved? If we see that leaves, they are different in colors. Sometimes green in color, sometimes yellow in color, or other colors maybe. Who is the responsible for this color? If we see that the pigment is responsible for the different color of leaves. How we can find out the pigments? We can find out the different types of pigments with the help of one experiments, that is of paper chromatography. Paper chromatography. What is the paper chromatography? Let us know. It is experiments to separate the different types of pigments from the leaves. It is the experiment in which we separate the different types of pigment that present in the leaves. If we separate the pigments, we find out that different 4 types of pigments, that is of chlorophyll A, that is normally green color, or we can say blue-green color, green or blue-green, green color, that is a chlorophyll A. Another is of chlorophyll B, that is of green yellow in color. Another types of pigments, that is of xanthophyll, that is of yellow in color, and another type of carotenoids, that is yellow, orange in color. These 4 types of pigments present in the leaves and that absorb the different types of sunlight or different types of light and other things. If we do the experiment of light absorption, which wavelength of sunlight is absorbed by the particular types of pigments, and in which wavelength of sunlight the maximum photosynthesis is there. If we plot the graph between that wavelength of sunlight and chlorophyll, wavelength of sunlight, suppose this is the graph here, that wavelength of sunlight and here that is the light absorption. यानी इस तरफ कौन सा पिगमेंट जो है लाइट अब्जॉर्ब कर रहा, दैट इज visible spectrum is absorbed the sunlight. The wavelength of sunlight is that of Vibgyor. So wavelength from this, that is 400 to 700 nanometer. If we distributed this into this side 400 nanometer and this side 700 nanometer. If we plot the graph of different pigments, so the chlorophyll A absorb maximum photosynthesis here, then again here. This is of chlorophyll A. Another is of chlorophyll B. This is the third one is of carotenoids. This is of chlorophyll B, and third is of carotenoids. carotenoids. Like that, if we plot the another graphs, that is rate of photosynthesis. Here, this is the light, and this is the rate of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, that is this obtaining like this, and another graph we plots, that is rate of photosynthesis, which is in terms of oxygen evolved, यानी जितनी ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकल रही है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग rate of photosynthesis we measure. Means whenever higher oxygen is removed from the leaves, that means rate will be higher, and less oxygen removed means rate will be. If we compare both the graphs, that is light absorption and rate of photosynthesis, this is rate of photosynthesis and this one is of light absorption. This is of light absorption. So these are the three graphs in which this is show the different types of pigment absorption sunlight. So chlorophyll A maximally absorbed near 400 and near 700. The chlorophyll B again near 400 and 700. Carotenoids near 400. If we see another graphs, where is the maximum rate of photosynthesis is there? Maximum rate of photosynthesis near 400 and near another one is of 700. If we compare both the graphs, that absorption spectrum of sunlight and rate of photosynthesis, that is similar. Means maximally two places, that is 400 and nearby 700, the maximum rate of photosynthesis. If we see that the main pigments inside the leaves, that is of chlorophyll A. That is the chlorophyll A. That is the main pigments which is maximum photosynthesis occurring. That is blue region and in red region. Blue region towards this side and red region towards this side. So here blue region is there and here red region is there. Maximum photosynthesis occurring blue and red region. And other pigments, that is chlorophyll B, carotenoids and xanthophylls, that is the associated pigments. So main photosynthesis is done by the chlorophyll A, which is maximally absorb the sunlight, and other pigments, that is chlorophyll B, xanthophyll and carotenoids, help the chlorophyll A to from the photooxidation and also transfer the energy towards the chlorophyll A. So these are the different pigments, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids and xanthophylls help in the photosynthesis. What is light reaction? Light reaction is the photochemical phase of photosynthesis. Chemical phase of photosynthesis. During the light reaction, different phenomena is there, and these photochemical phase include light absorption, water splitting, light absorption, water splitting, formation of high energy molecules, that is of ATP and NADP. These are the high energy molecules which is formed during the light reactions, and the several complexes help in these light reactions for the absorption of light, for the water splitting and formation of energy rich molecules. The several complexes made up that photochemical phase, that is which is made up from different types of system, that is known as photosystem. Photosystem. The photosystem is of two. One is of PS first, photosystem first, another is of PS second. Photosystem second and photosystem first. These photosystem first and photosystem second both are made up from chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and carotenoids pigments, and it is again from the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and carotenoids. These are the different pigments which is present inside the chlorophyll photosystem first and photosystem second. But what is the difference? If we see here difference, that chlorophyll A molecule is more as compared to chlorophyll B, and here the amount of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B is equal. In photosystem second, the amount of chlorophyll A pigment and chlorophyll B pigment is equal, but in pigment system first, chlorophyll A molecules is more than the chlorophyll B. This is the one difference. Another is in both the system, one molecules of chlorophyll A is specially arranged. Suppose this is the one system, photosystem, in which there is these different pigments are there, that is made up from chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and carotenoids. So here the specific pigment is there which is made up from chlorophyll A, and that trap all the energy, that is known as reaction center. In chlorophyll A, photosystem first, that is absorbed high length energy, and this reaction center is known as P700, which absorb the high wavelength of energy, that is known as P700. This is reaction center and which is made up from the chlorophyll A pigments. Like that in photosystem second, this is suppose photosystem second, here these different pigments molecule is there, in which again one chlorophyll A molecules is there, which is initiated by the less wavelength below 700 wavelength, and that known as P680. This is the reaction center of P second. So P second, photosystem second reaction center is of P680, and photosystem first reaction center is of P700. This is the reaction center and specially organized chlorophyll A molecule which absorbed all the energy that is enter inside the PS1, that absorbed by the reaction center P700, and that here P680, that is the reaction center of PS second, which absorb all the energy absorbed by the second, like this way. Through the resonance, the all energy meet to this pigment, that is known as reaction center, or we can say trap center. ट्रैप सेंटर, जिसको अपन ट्रैप सेंटर कह सकते हैं. अल्टीमेटली द इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी रिलीज फ्रॉम दिस ट्रैप सेंटर. इसी ट्रैप सेंटर से, इसी रिएक्शन सेंटर से एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. सो दीज आर द टू फोटो सिस्टम प्रेजेंट इन द लिव्स. वन इज ऑफ फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट, अनदर इज ऑफ फोटो सिस्टम सेकेंड, and both are made from chlorophyll A, B and carotenoid molecules. But the photosystem first is excited from P700 wavelength, and the reaction center is higher wavelength, and the reaction center is known as P700. Photosystem second reaction center is known as P680, which is excited by the lower below 700 wavelength. 700 से कम की वेवलेंथ से वो एक्साइट होता है. how the electron which is released from these reaction center will be transferred, यानी ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर कहाँ होता है, कैसे होता है. अगर अपन इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखें, सो दीज आर द LHC, दैट इज लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग क्लोरोफिल, एंड दीज आर अगेन LHC, or we can say these are the particular type of cytochromes. From p second, the electron will be released, which is accepted by the primary acceptor. That is unknown. प्राइमरी एक्सेप्टर के पास जाता है, और प्राइमरी एक्सेप्टर से ये कहाँ आता है, 2ps फर्स्ट, दैट इज अगेन LHC. किसके पास आता है, PS फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट में. इस वन जो PS फोटो सिस्टम सेकेंड, यहां से निकलता है फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट से इलेक्ट्रॉन, और कहाँ आता है, फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट में. व्हेनेवर दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर ट्रांसफर, some energy is used, means here electron is transferred in downhill journey with the help of redox reactions, downhill journey, and from here ATP plus inorganic phosphate will release ATP molecules. Again the light energy which is here, and light energy, यहाँ से लाइट एनर्जी से इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ है, यहाँ से भी लाइट एनर्जी मिली, यहाँ से भी इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस निकलेगा. दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन will be again moved to primary acceptor, that is again unknown primary acceptor, which is present in PS first, then to this electron move to NAD, and that convert NADP, that is energy rich molecules, that is the energy rich molecules. Here it is transferred. This is the electron transport system. This is the electron transport system which is move in two system. This one is your photo system second, and this one is your photo system first. Initially from photo system first से electron transfer होता है primary acceptor में, that is the particular types of cytochromes, and cytochromes made up from the different types of proteins, जिनको साइटोक्रोम कह सकते हैं. वहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन फिर डाउन हिल जर्नी में जाता है, जहां पर वो फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट में आता है. बिफोर एंटरिंग द फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट, इट फॉर्म द वन ATP molecules from ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Then whenever it reaches in the PS first, again it will be excited with the help of this proton, which is present in the chlorophyll A molecule, trap center, reaction center. यहाँ से लाइट आएगी, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस रिलीज होंगे, that again into the another primary acceptor, that is again unknown. Here it will be transferred to the NADP. Electron transfer here to the NAD, and you to form the NADP. So these two things is formed. One is of ATP molecules, and another is of NADP. That is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. This is of light reaction or enzyme, electron transport system. This is also known as Z scheme, because that electron is transferred in the Z pathway. Z pathway. So these are the light reaction. Light reaction contain two photosystem, that two pigment system first and pigment system second. Light reaction में ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफरिंग होता है, that is cyclic and non cyclic ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जिसमें यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से निकल के यहाँ जाता है इधर फोटो सिस्टम सेकंड से प्राइमरी एक्सेप्टर फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट, और फोटो सिस्टम फर्स्ट से NAD को इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस वे ATP molecule and NADP molecule is formed that required in the dark reaction.